3 and 782,000 minus 6,700. Okay, first, align or arrange in column. So, 3 and 782
Thousands.
minus 6,700. So, yung pagkakaiba, class, ng whole number sa decimal number, yung decimal point dapat natin i-align. Okay. So, okay. And then, add 0 sa may kulang nga digit. Okay. So, 2 minus 0. 8 minus 7. 7 minus 6. 3 minus 0. And then copy the decimal point. Okay, what is the answer? 3 and 112,000. Ba't nag-thousands itong pagbasa natin? Because the place value is 100,000. So 3 and 112,000.